This is a video recording how do I manage GCP resources with Ansible playbook. The goal today will be to create a disk for GCP virtual machine. And here's my playbook. I've already created a GCP project. I've already created a GCP service account with JSON file for credentials. So in this playbook, I defined some variables with GCP settings and labels, and we're gonna use this image, which is Debian Cloud and Debian 12. So in this playbook, with Ansible module GCP compute disk, we're gonna create a disk with a name, size, image in this zone, in this project with credentials. We can also show the disk info after the creation. Before we start, let's go to GCP console. Compute engine disks. You can see there's no disk available now. If we check it from command line, gcloud compute disks, there's no disks. Let's run the playbook. Ansible playbook. I put it here. Playbooks GCP disk. Creating the disk. This is from my local machine. Disk created. If we refresh the console page, you can see this is a new disk with this size and name. If we list the disk again, here it is. I'll just delete this disk since I don't need it. But this is how I manage GCP resources. I'll also put the command, copy the command here. Anyway, this is how I manage GCP resources of a disk for virtual machine.